Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Initial Speed. Just a little thing before you watch the video. This is going to be a long video, so I'm going to break it up into parts. But with anything, good things come to those who wait. You've got to eat your vegetables before you can get to the meat and the potatoes. So stay with me, guys. Like, share, comment, do all of those things. Watch this one. Trust me. The end result will be worth it. Believe me. Alright, let's get into this. Not sure, hey guys, not sure if I'm doing a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm back out for more parts. This part, front calipers. So, this is what I did. 4-piston calipers. When we get home, we'll get a better look at it, or maybe another time. I gotta race back. So yeah, I need to get a bracket fit from the knuckle to the caliper. Hey guys, so I'm editing this video and realized that I didn't give you guys an update. I got out those 4-piston calipers and, well, things escalated. So what has happened is 6-piston for the front and 4 for the rear. And that's what you've missed. So I'll take you back to the video and let you see me prep the calipers. Hey guys, lots of sun, but it's also a heat advisory. It's a little on the warm side today. Just shy of 40 degrees, so that's what, 98, 97 degrees? Okay, so, well, for you Americans. So today I'm going to be working on calipers. I've already worked on one, and now that I know what I'm doing, better idea of what I'm doing, I'm going to work on the second one and take you guys along with me. So let me just show you how the second one turned out. Oh, look at that. A little Motormaster action as well. Motormaster, if you want to reach out, Canadian Tire, if you want to reach out, I could do with some tools. I'm going to start with taping off, or I guess removing some of the hardware from the caliper, then taping everything off, then using the alcohol and a rag and wipe it down in preparation to accept the etching primer. One nipple. Yes, so I already loosened these, of course. They've got to be much tighter than this to stay in, or to help the system work. Now here's the part I don't like, because fluid's gonna come rolling out. Crossover tube. All right. Just using some rubbing alcohol and a nice rag, and then we go to town. Okay, partially taped up.
Be very careful. You don't want any paint to get into the threads and make it harder to reinsert your hardware. So I don't want any paint in the holes of the ears, so I've taped them up. This isn't the right way, this isn't the wrong way, this is the way I'm doing it. Okay, wipe it down again with alcohol, because my hands have been on it. Not that they're greasy, but not take any chances. Wipe it down again, and get to painting. Get to painting. So yes, I'm well aware that I didn't have a mask on. I am outdoors. I know it's not going to be perfect. So yes, I'm using a high heat primer. So I did a etching primer down first, a black primer to try to bring down the brightness of the caliper. It's just the way I wanted it, and then it'll be color. Woo-wee! Now that looks good. Yes! Look how glossy it is. Oh my goodness, wait for the clear. Did someone say big brake upgrade? Porsche upgrade? Oh, had to hit him with the little 1-2. Oh, so fresh.